Let me explain how to use the fan coil remote control. Button 1. Pressing it turns the fan coil on, and pressing it again turns it off. Button 2. Used to select the mode. One press switches to heating mode, and the next press switches to cooling mode. Button 3. Used to adjust the fan speed. Each press switches the modes in the following order: low, medium, high, and auto. You can choose the speed you need. The selected speed is displayed at the top of the screen. Button 4. Each press increases the temperature by 1 degree. Button 5. Each press decreases the temperature by 1 degree. For cooling mode, we recommend setting the temperature to 21-24 degrees, and for heating mode from 24 to 28 degrees. As shown on the display, the left side indicates the temperature you set, and the right side shows the current room temperature. Shivaki, Japanese quality.